Percentile. Our objective, interpret percentiles. Well, what's a percentile? A percentile is the value below which a percentage of the data fall. It is a measure of a data item's position. And the most popular examples probably for most people, popular examples, maybe for some people, is standardized test scores. You know, you're in the 77th percentile. And for those who've had children, birth weights. Parents are often wondering, how's my child's weight? Well, your child is in the 70th percentile. Birth weights, just fine. Okay, so, or if it's premature, your child is in the 30th percentile of birth weights, or on the lighter side, for example. Just a couple of examples where you may have seen percentiles, the test scores and birth weights. Very quickly, the value below which a percentage of the data falls. So here's the example. A student score of 550 on the math portion. A student scores 550 on the math portion of the SAT. This score is in the 75th percentile. What does this mean? Okay, what does that mean? Percentile, the value below which a percentage of the data fall. So if you're in the 75th percentile, this means 75% of all scores are less than a score of 550. That's all it is. Your score, if you're in the 75th percentile, that means your score is greater than 75% of all the scores, or 75% of all the scores are less than your score, or 25% of the scores are better than your score, etc., but that's percentile.